Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change username on X Twitter when done button is not clickable. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you've ever tried changing your username, so just to give you an idea, if you click on your profile at the top left and go to your settings and support section, going to settings and going to your account, and if you click on account information and go to username, you'll notice that sometimes if you update certain letters or numbers into your username here, the done button is not clickable. Now the thing with X here is currently with the version of the app, the option for you to update your username is not available right now inside the app. So to fix this, you need to access the web version. So what do I mean by web version? What you need to do is you want to go open up any browser, go to x.com here and just log in into your account and pretty much do the same thing. Go and click on your profile at the top left, go to your settings and privacy at the left side here, and you want to go and just choose your account. Now from here, you want to go and choose the account information, go and click on username. You go and just type in whatever you want to add in here. As you can see, the save button should be added in there. So you can go and just click on save, and that should basically save or update your username. As you can see here now, I was able to save my new username here. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.